Safety Protocol. Laboratory safety protocols is a safeguard to the health and well-being of everyone in the lab environment. These protocols are essential for preventing accidents, minimizing exposure to hazardous materials, and ensuring a safe workspace. By protecting individuals, they also preserve the integrity of the laboratory activities, prevent damage to valuable equipment and facilities, and create a secure setting where reliable, high-quality work can be conducted efficiently. Wear protective lab attire. Make sure you use lab gown at all times inside the laboratory. Do not bring food or drink into the lab. This prevents contamination of both your samples and your food. Wash your hands well after leaving the lab too. Use caution when handling chemicals. Read precautions on lab manuals and the bottle labels before using, and follow those to a T. Dispose lab waste safely. Always follow your lab's protocol in disposing of samples, reagents, sharp objects, etc. Handle lab equipment carefully. Follow all protocols and manuals, and remember to put back all equipment in its proper place after use. Work with a lab partner as far as possible. Having a second pair of eyes increases chances of mistakes and slip-ups getting detected on time. Know what to do in case of fire. Always turn off all laboratory equipment using their designated power switches after completing your work. For devices that require special shutdown procedures, follow the specific guidelines provided. Conduct a final check to ensure everything is powered down, except for equipment that needs to remain active, such as refrigerators or safety monitoring systems. Clean up. After completing the lab, carefully clean your workspace and the equipment, and wash your hands with soap and warm water for at least 20 seconds.